fixing the old dash. Really just cracked all the way through right there. Little crack right there. Cracks in the corner. Mounting places are cracked. Over here it's burst out. No holes drilled there. Got everything else cut though. So we'll drill some holes. Got a reference because the other one cracked off. Line up. Pretty much doing a bead of silicone around here. Each of the vents, I think it's dabbing every 6 inches or whatever the heck the book says. So it'll look really good. Dated, brand new. Fitment is pretty good. It's a little raised, so to match up with these holes, they got to be pretty far down. You pull this thing back. When you put your silicone on, you're going to put weight up here. Full bead of silicone around the vents, and do it around these mounting points too. Look real good. So I pretty much use some heavy angle iron, some heavy books, and then you can take some rags and jam them between the window or the edges and the top of the dash to really keep the perimeter of the dash down until the silicone cures to get a nice tight fitment. Here we go. New dash. It's pretty damn good. The only spot I noticed is this, but I get that glued down. It fits pretty good around the vents. Even when you got no dash. Right there. Paint on this kind of comes off easy, but better than having a cracked dash. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. I would highly recommend getting a dash kit for your second gen Dodge. I've had it for over a year now and it's held up solid. You can bang on it, you can put stuff on it and not have to worry about it shattering to pieces. Thanks again. Here's a discount code. I don't know if it still works. Use it, don't use it. Doesn't bother me.